AssetWise Asset Lifecycle Information Management provides structured control of asset and related engineering information, providing the evidence you need to make accurate and timely decisions for superior asset performance. Infrastructure and asset-intensive industries have daunting amounts of asset and condition information to manage, scattered across separate systems that limit visibility, integrity, and context. Limited budgets and aging assets constantly battle for priority. Any of these challenges can lead to safety incidents and asset failures that disrupt service and may cause major physical, environmental, and financial risks. AssetWise receives and manages digital information from all phases of the design, construction, and operation lifecycle in context for reuse in operations, linking asset data, documents, organizations, requirements, people, and processes to deliver trusted information to engineering, operations, and maintenance teams. By providing information with engineering integrity, including digital engineering models, AssetWise extends the value of your asset information within a connected data environment that is open, live, and secure. As assets are designed, maintained, and modified, AssetWise manages the asset structures and tags, including baselines and snapshots. Integrated configuration and change management best practices ensure that asset configurations conform to design and regulatory requirements for improved compliance and safety. Inherently spatial and linear network aware, AssetWise displays information so you can view assets and attributes together with other spatially located information. Visualize your assets in the context of a map, referenced along a road, rail line, or pipe network, or in the spatial context of a facility, and easily access all related information. AssetWise Asset Lifecycle Information Management enables your digital journey to operational excellence so you can enhance information integrity, improve compliance and safety, and manage change throughout the life cycle for trusted information when and where you need it.